Hi everyone. So is my screen visible to all? Can anyone?
Yes, yes. Visual.
Okay, okay, okay. So in last session we were discussing on joins, right? So joins in Databricks allow us to combine two data frames, right? So based on one, we will have one common column. So based on that common column, we can join two data frames. Okay. It returns. So first we discussed in inner join. So what inner join will perform? It returns only the matching rows between two data frames based on the join condition. Okay, so we will have one condition. Based on the join condition, it will return only matching rows. Okay, and the left data frame, what it is does, it does. So it returns all the rows from the left data frame and the rows from the matching rows from the right data frame. Okay, so non-matching rows will have the null values. Here you can see. So non two. So let me explain first this one. So in data frame one, we have ID and name. So IDs are 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, and names are ABC. In a data frame 2, right data frame, we have IDs 1, 3, and 4. Okay, so and the other field is category X, Y, and Z. Okay, the inner, if you perform inner join, what it does, so inner join will be 1 and 3, right? So these are matching. So 1, 3, AC, and X, Y. So it will give you. This is the inner join. Okay. And left join, what it does? So left join means you will get all the left, this one, all the left rows from the left data frame and the matching rows from the right data frame means 1, 2, and 3, right? So 1, 2, 3, ABC. So 1, 3 are matching, right? So X, null, and Y. X, null, and Y. You will get X, null, and Y. Right data frame, it is opposite to left. So you will get all the rows from the right data frame and only matching rows from the left data frame. So in right data frame, what we have 1, 3, 4, and XYZ. So from the left data frame, only matching rows, right? So matching rows are 1 and 3, right? So AC 4 we don't have. So it is not matching. That's why null. Here 2 we don't have in the right. That's why it is null. So full join means it is combination of both. Otherwise, it returns all rows from the both data frames. So if there is match, no problem, we will get that value. If there is no match, null value we will get. And uh, we have left semi. One more join is left semi. So it is exactly like inner join only. So left semi is exactly like inner join, but the only difference is we will not get the rows from the right table. Okay, so you will get the matching rows from the only left data frame. So you will not get the information from right data frame. But in inner join, if you see, you are getting matching rows from left and right, right? So this category is from right table, right? So, but in left semi, you won't get the right data frame rows. The only difference is this one. Okay. So left semi, it returns only the matching rows from the left data frame. Okay. So it is like inner join, but without including rows from the right data frame. Understood? So if you perform inner join, so inner join, we will get the matching rows from both data frames. But in left semi, you will get matching rows only from the left data frame. So it won't include the rows from the right data frame. Only that difference. If you see inner join, what we got 1, 3, AC, and XY also. This XY is the rows from the right data frame, right? So, but in left semi, you won't get. If I perform this one, you will understand. Data frame, left semi, right? Left semi, LS. Okay, df1 dot join df2 on condition on this one. Uh, this one is left semi. Okay, df dot df ls dot show. Hmm. Understood? So 1 and 3 are matching, right? So in both data frames, we have 1 and 3. So we will get rows from left data frame only. So I told na, so it is same like inner product, inner join. So if you see inner join, where we performed this inner join, yeah, this one. So 1 3 AC and category column is missing now. So this is left semi what it does. So you will get the matching rows from the only left data frame. But in inner join, you will get the matching rows from the both data frames. But in a left semi, you will get the rows from only left data frame. It is like inner join, but without including rows from the left data frame. That's it. So only this difference. And we have left anti. It is opposite to what left semi. So we have one more join that is left anti. So what it returns only the rows from the left data frame. Okay, so it returns only the rows from the left data frame that do not have match in the right data frame. So this one left semi, what it does, so it returns only the matching rows from the left data frame, right? So what left anti will do, so it returns only the rows from the left data frame, same like this left semi, but which does not have the match. Where left semi will give the matching rows, where it will not, where this left anti will give you do not have match in the right data frame. Okay. So what we will get? So in left data frame, we have 1A, 2B, 3C, right? So now these are the matching to the right data frame. But here you will get not matching. Means 2B we will get. Data frame left anti, left anti. Any doubts? So 2B, right? So 1A, 3C are matching to the right data frame. So we got only left data frame rows. So if you perform left semi. So when you perform left anti, so it will return you the rows that are not matching to the right data frame. So these are not matching. 1 and 3 are matching, 2 only not matching. So this one you will get. Okay. So any doubts so far? We have discussed inner, left, right, full join, left semi, left anti, right? So any doubts so far? We have cross join also. So it is nothing, cross join is nothing but it returns Cartesian product. Okay. So it returns all the possible combinations. Okay. Returns the Cartesian, cross product or Cartesian product of both data frames. So it returns all the possibilities. Okay. So every row from the data frame one is paired with every row from data frame two. So either way you can say every row from data frame one is paired to paired with every row from data frame 2. So it is like Cartesian product, guys. I mean, so if you have 1A, 2B, 3C, right? Okay. df1 dot show df2 dot show. So we have in data frame one, 1A, 2B, 3C, right? So what we will get if you perform this cross join? So 1A with 1X, 1A with 3Y, 1A with 4Z. Similarly, 2B with 1X, 2B with 3Y, 2B with 4Z. Same 3C with 1X, 3C, 3Y, 3C, 4Z. Okay. Yeah. So all the possible pairs. df1 dot cross join df2 dot show. See here, 1a 1x, 1a 3y, 1a 4z, 2b 1x, 2b 3y, 2b 4z, 3c 1x, 3c 3y, 3c 4z. So all the possible pairs we will get. So we have how many? Three rows in first data frame, three rows in second data frame. So 3 by 3 means nine pairs we will get. If you count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 pairs you will get. So it is nothing but Cartesian product or cross product. Okay, so let's because it is very important topic, so let's have some real data. I mean, realistic what real time example of this. Okay, let me create first create customers data. Okay, customer data equal to customers data what we can have. Let me first columns. What columns we can have? Okay, so first we can have customer ID and customer name, right? Uh, customers data means customer name ID and customer name. Here customer ID 1 Anil. See, okay, 1, 2, here Bobby. ID can be 3. Here Shari. 4 David. And last 5 Eric. Let's create data frame. Mm, customers. Customers data frame. Uh, Spark dot create data frame. Okay. Cust data comma columns. Mm, COLUMLU. Okay. Okay. Now let's create orders data. Mm, first columns. What columns we can have? First one will be customer ID. This is the common column. And next product. And last one amount. And the data. Data. Yeah, we have three fields, right? One is customer ID 1, and the product may be laptop, and the price can be 1,000. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control. Okay, and the customer one only if purchased phone and its price is 500. Okay, customer 2 purchased tablet and its price is 300. Customer 4 we have. So we don't, okay, customer 4 we have. He purchased monitor. Okay, its price is 200. We have customer 6. Okay, 6. Customer 6, he purchased camera and its cost is 600. So here you can see we have customers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in orders data we have 1, 2, 4, 6 only, which are missing. 3 and 5 are missing. So customer 3 he hasn't purchased anything. Customer 5 also he hasn't purchased anything. But we have 4 and 6. So we have 6. This guy, so he is extra. So he is not belongs to these customers. He belongs to some other customers. Okay. Create orders data frame, spark dot create data frame, data columns. Okay. Now let's display both customers dot show, similarly orders dot show. Yeah, 1, 2, orders or okay, order. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anil, Bobby, Chari, David, Eric. Correct. 1, 1, 2, 4, 6. Correct. Laptop, phone, tablet. It's correct. Okay. So now the scenario is okay. So you have to answer, guys. Be interactive. So you have to tell me which join we have to use. Okay. So the first scenario. So what the requirement is? mm, Customers. I want to know customers who placed orders. I want to know this one. Which join can I use? So I want to know. So customers who placed orders, I want to. So from we have customers data and we have orders data, right? So I want to know. So customers who ordered, who placed orders. So which join we can use? So I want it. So the data frame has to return only customers who have placed orders. I want customers and orders data. Who placed it? So who only placed. So who only placed means, so we have customers ID from this table, right? So here we have who placed orders. So I want customers who placed orders. So here we have customers data and here we have orders data. I want this customers who placed orders. I mean who purchased. So I want. Then that time we have to use inner join, right? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have customers, but who purchased 1, 2, 4, 6 only, right? So I want customers who placed orders means among Anil, Bobby, Chari, David, and Eric, who placed the orders I want. So that time we have to use inner join. Okay. df1 equal to customers dot join. Okay. Orders on which one customer ID, right? uh, and which type of join you want to perform inner, because so if you perform inner only then they will match. So one, yeah, one is matched, so he purchased. Two, so two as purchased. Three, he did not purchase, so he will not come. Four, yeah, he purchased. Five, yes, he did not purchase. So those who matched, they are only purchased. Okay, so I want customers who placed orders. So inner join will fulfill my requirement. Here you can see. So Anil, Bobby, David, they only purchased. right? So Anil, Bobby, David only placed orders. Remaining people, they haven't, because 3 and 5, Chari and Eric, they haven't placed any orders. Okay. So customer who placed orders means we have to use inner join. Okay. Next requirement is all customers and their orders. Which join you will use? So I want all
Outer join.
customers with their what
Outer
Left,
join.
left.
left join, because here you can see first one is customers data, right? So this data frame is customers, and this one is orders. So what I want now, all customers, right? All customers means, so I want rows from the left table, all the rows from the left table. So that's why you have to perform left join. So what is the left join? So left join will return you all rows from the left data frame and matching from the data right data frame. So that's what I want, right? All customers with their orders. So I want all customers data. So all customer information I want. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if they placed any orders, they I want to know. So which order they have placed. If they don't place any order, it will be null. Understood? So I want all customers, right? All customers and their orders I want. If they order, we will get order information. If they did not order, we will get null value. TF2 equals to, so all customers means, so the left join, so the left join will give you all the rows from the left data frame. So here all customers means customers is left data frame, right? That's why all customers means left join we have to use. DF2 equal, not DF2. Okay, so DF2 we can use DF2 equal to customers dot join, okay, orders. So cust ID. So which join we have to use? Left to join, because left to join will give you the all the rows from left to data frame. So left to data frame is customer. So I want all customers data. That's why we have to use left. So you will get all that left, this one, all customers and their orders. So we here we have 5 customers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all that customers data we've got. And this Anil has purchased 2 products. That's why his orders also we got 2 times. One is phone, he purchased laptop and he purchased phone. And 2, Bobby purchased tablet. 3, Chari, he did not purchase anything. That's why null values. He did not purchase. David, he purchased Monter. Eric, he did not purchase anything. That's why null values. But what we want, all customers data. Now the requirement is um, all orders I want to know. All orders data and their customers I want to know. So which join you will use now? I want all orders data and their customers. Which join you will use? Left data frame is customers, right data frame is orders. I want all orders. So all orders data means we have to use right join. So what is the behavior of right join? Right join will give you the all the rows from right data frame and the matching rows from the left data frame. If there is no match, it will give you null value. I want all orders, right? So orders in the right data frame. That's why we have to use right join. DF3, DF3, right join. So what are the orders data we have? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, right? So here you will get 1, 1, 2, 4, 6. All the orders data we will get, and the customers, if they exist, we will get. So 1, 2, 4, we have the customers. For 6, we don't have, because we have in customers we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, right? So that's why it is null. Customer name is null for this one. Understood? If you want, if you want all customers and all orders data, then which join we will use? We want all customers and all orders, means we want data from both data frames. If all, I mean, so full join, what it will does, full join will give you what? So full join only, na? So full join will give you, so if you see here, what is the behavior of full join? It returns all rows from both data frames, right? So here what you want? So you want all customers and all orders, means you want data from both data frames. That's why we have to use full join. See here, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got everything. So we know for 1, 1, we have Anil, 2, 3. So he hasn't purchased anything. That's why null. Eric also not purchased anything. That's why null. And 6 we have, but we don't have customer name in customers data. That's why null. So when you want all customers and all orders data, I mean, if you want the data from both the data frames, if you want data from both the data frames, then you can use full join or outer join. Full join or outer, both are same. If you give here outer also, it returns same. So full join or outer join are both same. Hmm. Now I want customers data who placed orders. I want only customers data. I want only customers data who placed orders. Then which join you will use? Guys, please answer. I want only customers data who placed orders. Okay, so what is the behavior of left semi? Left semi will give you only the rows from the left table and the matching rows from, okay, so it will give you the rows from the left table and which are matched to the right data frame. So here also same, right? So I want the only customers data, means left data frame, and who placed orders means it has to match with right data frame. So this time we have to use left semi. So I want all customers data who placed orders. So 1, 2, 4 only na placed orders. 1, 2, 4 Anil, Bobby, David only placed orders. 3 and 5 Chari and Eric, they did not place orders. Okay. And the last scenario is I want only the customers data and who never placed orders. I want only customers data who never placed order. This time which join you will use? So left anti, right?
Left
So what
pointing.
is the behavior of left anti? So left anti join will give you data from left data frame. So which do not match with the right data frame. Here also what we want, who never placed means, so left data frame. So customers data we want, who never placed means it does not match with the placed orders data frame. So 3 and 5 means Chari and Eric, they never placed orders, right? So you will get that information. Okay, so any doubts, guys? If you have any queries, or if we missing anything related to this, you can answer. You can ask me now. because this joins questions. So in interview, in technical interview, round number one, so you will get this joins question regularly. So if you know the behavior of joins, then it is sufficient. So inner join. So data frame, both data you will get it returns rows from all both data frames which are matched. Left join. So left join will give you the all the rows from the left table and only matching from the table and the right data frame. So it will give you the all the rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left. And if they do not match, null values you will get. Full join means so data from the both data frames, okay, and if they match, they will give you the value. If they do not match, null value you get. Left semi means you will get the data frame only, rows from only left data frame, which are matching with the right data frame. Okay. And left anti means you will get the rows from the left data frame only, but which do not have the match from the match with the right data frame. Go through this. Okay. So go through this lecture, you will understand better because it is very, very important topic, joins. Next one, date functions. These are very important, guys, date function. And because so every time we will process the date based on the last data or modified data, current year or last year, so last month data we have to last month data we have to report. I mean, we have to analyze. If they want to leadership want to analyze last month data or last year data, so we have to know so how these date functions and timestamp functions will work. Okay, so this is also very important. 1 minute. One minute, guys. So we need data for this. Let me check. 1 minute. I saved somewhere the data. Date functions, right? Hmm, okay. Okay. So this we don't require. This, yeah, we need to run. Okay, so here we have data. So first one is ID and second one is date and third one is timestamp. So this is date and this is timestamp. So the difference between date and timestamp is, so along with date you will get at what time this data has generated. That is timestamp. So date along with time is timestamp. Okay. So IDs are 1, 2, 3, 4, and some dates I have given, and the timestamp also I have added. So this one, so first field is ID, and second field is a date. Okay, so it is a string type. Okay, this one is string type, and timestamp also string type. So why I given times this one, because date should be in date. So data type should be date, and timestamp date, this one timestamp data type should be timestamp. Okay, but so to teach you, So how can we because sometimes what happens from the source you can get string type only, everything string type only. So that time we have to convert it to date type and timestamp type, right? So that time how to convert it. So I want to show you. That's why this is the first I am taking it as string only. So this one is string and this one also string. If you see, we have created external this one. We have created schema manually. So I enforced the schema manually. So ID field as integer type, this date type as string type, and timestamp also string type. So how to convert, we will see now. Okay, let's I have created this one. Let's see the data frame. So one, I mean ID, date, and timestamp, and both are string only. So if you see, both are string only, but in real time, so in real projects, so you should know, you should process them as date type and timestamp type. So how to convert it? So to convert it into string type data, date to date type. So how can we do? See here. So df converted equal to, okay, so df so we already have this df, right? So on top of this df I want to add one column. So with column, and the column name is date only. So we need to convert, right? So how to convert it? So using toDate function. Here we have toDate function. What it does is it converts string type. So not string type, any type. It converts a date type to data type to date type. Okay. So don't confuse about date. Date is this column. Okay. That's why we have kept date string. So this column, it converts this column data type to date. So now it is string, right? So it converts this to date type. Let's see, to date. So which one? Date string. And also, okay. Okay, so let's df converted dot show. Let's see this. So it has created, right? It has created one column date, and same here. If you see, both are same, but the data type, if you see, so earlier this date string is string type, and this one date, right? So this date type is date. So in real time, we have to process the data with the this one only, this date type only, not with string type. So to convert any data type to date type, you have to use this date to date. And here you see timestamp. Timestamp, this column is what? String only. So how to convert it to timestamp? Okay, so with the column, timestamp. And so the function name is to timestamp. So to date right here. So to convert to date type, to date, to convert to timestamp, this one. And which column you want to convert? This one, right? Which one? Timestamp string. Now see, so it has created date and timestamp, right? So now you can see date is date type, timestamp is timestamp type. Okay. So now I don't want these. So how can we do that? Mm, df df equal to df converted dot. I want to select only ID and date, also timestamp. I want to select these only, df dot show. Yeah, so ID, date and timestamp. Here you can see data frame, what it has, ID, date and timestamp. ID is integer, correct. Date is date type, correct. and timestamp is timestamp type. Correct. So to convert any date string type to this one, you can use toDate and toTimestamp functions. Okay. Some date functions we can see. Okay, so you want to know, so current date. You want to know current date. How can, what function you have to use? Df dot create one column with today. The function is to know or to get today's date. You can use this current date. Yeah, current date. And show. See here, so this is the original data, right? ID, date, and timestamp. So to have to know to get today's date, you can use this current date. So this current date will give you the today's date. So today's date is May 9th, right? So this date you will get. Okay. And so if you want to add days or subtract days, we have some functions like add, date add, and date subtract. So let's see, df date with column. Mm, so you want to add 7 days. Okay, so plus 7 days. This column I want to create. So to add the days to add the days to the existing column, you can use date add. So this function you can use date add function, and the which column you want to add. So data date only. Dot show. No. So date add this one, and how many days we want to add, that value we have to pass. So here you can see this is January 1st, right? So January 1st, you have added 7 days. So it became January 8th. Here, 15th March, so 22nd, 7 days added. 10th here, 10th July, so it became 17th July. And 2024, January 1st, it became January 8th, 2024. So if you want to add the days to the existing column, you can use this date add. So date add, column name, and how many days you want to add. So if you want to add 10 days, you can give this 20 days here. So it will add how many days. If you give that those many days, it will add. If you want to subtract, you have df dot same this one, df dot with the column. So if you want to subtract some days, so you can use which function? Add date, right? We have date subtract this one. So if you want to subtract 7 days or 5 days, a date comma, we have to pass the value, right? This 5. So earlier is January 1st, 2023. So you want to minus 5 days, right? So 2022 and December 27. Here March 15th, here March 10th. 5 days minus, right? So July 10th and here July 5th. And this one January 1st. So we January 1st, we minus, so how many days we subtracted? 5 days. So it became 27th December. Okay. Mm, okay, so if you want to know, so how many days difference from current date? So we have current date function, right? So you want to know, so from today's date to this date, so from today's date to this date, how many days difference it is there? So we have date difference function. Let's see, df dot with column. Okay, so you want to know days difference, how many days difference now? Days difference, you can use this one date diff function. Okay, so from which date to which date you want to find? Okay, from today's date, right? Current date. From current date to from current date to, so this one date function, date for not date function, date column dot show. So here you can see. So current date is May 9th, right? May 9th to this one. How many days? 859. And current date to this one, this date, March 15th, right? 786. These many, this is the dates difference. So from today's date to this date, how much difference is there? So if you want to find days difference, you can use date differ. Hmm. If you want to know, so we found how many days difference from a date column to current date we have found. So if you want to know months difference, if you want to know months difference, we have month difference also. So if you want to know month difference, month difference, so that function is uh, date difference and month between, yeah, months between current date to this, yeah. Here you can see, so 2023 January. So now 2025 May. So how many days? 12 plus 12, 24 plus 4 months completed, right? So 28, 28.25. Okay. This one, March March what? March 15, 2023. So March 15, 2023 means so around 26 months. Yeah, around 26 months. This one July, right? July means how many 20 year to 22 months. Yeah, 22 months. Like this. If you want to know, so months difference between the particular column to today's date, you can use this one. Okay. And if you want to give some date, you can give manually. If you want to give what, uh, 2025 1 1. Mm, okay, let's see. Mm, this one, so why it is giving error? Because this date is in date type format, but here we are passing string type. So this is string type and this one is date type. That's why so it is throwing error. Okay, but current date will give you the date type function, right? That's why it hasn't thrown you error. Okay. Hmm, what you want?
Gopi sir, uh, how can find out month? Adding the month.
Adding the month. Hmm, I see month, addition of months, right? We have to find add months. I think we have add days, right? Add days, date subtract. We have to see. So we will have some function here. Type here add add. Yeah, here we have na add months. Here you can see add months function is there. Add months and date to to this date you want to add months, right? So 1 month I want to add. Let's see. So here you can see I have added 1 month, right? So 2023 January 1st. Now we have added 1 month. That's why February 1st. So March 15 we have added 1 month. So this one April 15. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mm, so next day we have next day function. Okay. So next Friday I want to know. Next day. Yeah. So we have next day function df dot with column. So tomorrow Saturday, right? Okay. So next Saturday. So I am creating this column. So next day function we have next day. Okay. So to this date column next to Saturday dot show. Mm, next Saturday. Let's see 2023 2023, right? 2023 January. Saturday is 7th, right? So we have given 2023 January 1st is Sunday. Next Saturday is 7th, right? Correct, na? And in March 2023, 15, 15, 15. Next Saturday is 18th, right? Correct, na? Guys, correct, right? July,
Absolutely.
July 10th, right? July 10th. So next Saturday is 15, right? So 15, correct, right? So if you want to know, so next day, so if you want to know Friday, next Friday, so it should be 6, 17, 14, and 5. 6, 17, 14, and 5. 6, 17, 14, and 5. Correct, na? So if you want to know next day based on the particular day, so particular column you will have. So you want to find next Saturday or next Friday or next someday. So you can use this. And if you want to fetch, if you want to extract last day of the, last day of the month. So you can use this one, df dot with column if you want to fetch what last day of the month, last day of so you have elf function now, guys. So there may be many functions, many date functions. I may not cover, I am covering whatever are needed. So you can go through all the this one Databricks help dot date functions you can type, or in chat gpt you can find. So how many date functions are there, so you can go through it. No need to by heart, just so you can search whenever you need, you can search it. So you can use last day function. So what it fetch, what it extracts the last day of the month. Here you can see, so this one, right, this month January, so last day is 31st, right? And March also we have 31st, October also 31st, and here also January also 31st. It does, so it extracts the it retrieves the last day of the month. So this is the last day of the month. Mm, we have truncate to month or year functions. So see, let's see df dot with column truncate function we have. Okay, date truncate month. Date and month only I want. No, so we have date this one, right? So in this I want only month. So truncate, you can use this truncate. Inside this you can pass which one, date function. From this date function what I want, only month. Let's see this. Mm, 2020, yeah. So what it does here, you can see this one. So January 1st, that's why it has not truncated. Here you can see, so March 15th, right? But it is truncated to first day of the. So what it is, it doesn't, what it does, so it truncate month means it what it does. So it is giving the first day of the month. So it is truncating the date to so first day. Similarly, df dot with column date truncate year. Truncate function and the input column is date column only. So you want to truncate year, right? Dot show. Here you can see, so to 2023 1 1, so January 1st, correct. So here March 15th also truncated to first day of the year. Okay, so 2023 is July 10th. It is truncated to 2023 January 1st only. So this one, so January 1st only truncated to this. So truncating month means it will truncate to the first day of the month. Truncate year means so it will truncate the to the first day of the year. Okay, so this will be useful whenever you want to fetch the data for from the starting day of the month. So then what you can do, so date and truncate it to the start day of the month, and you can take the last day of the month. So between that date you can fetch the data. And if you want to fetch the data for whole year or starting of the year, so what you can do, you can use this function and it fetches the data from this what first day of the year only. So then that time you can use these functions. Mm, okay, so let's discuss some functions with the timestamp. Okay. If you want to if you want to find current timestamp, you can use df dot with column df dot with column uh, current time, right? Current date. I mean today's date with current timestamp. I want. So we have current date, right? To find the today's date, we have current date. To find the current timestamp, we have current timestamp function. Dot show. See here, so current timestamp means here 20 now. So what is the time now? So 4:30 means 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 9:30 plus half an hour, 10. Yeah, so it is giving UTC time zone, guys. So here, if you want to write truncate equal to false. So it is giving you the what UTC time zone. So if you want to fetch the current timestamp, what you can do? So you can use this one current timestamp. It will give you the today's date along with the time also. Mm, okay, so if you want to extract time parts, I mean our minutes and seconds, how can we extract those time parts? We will see df dot. I want to select which one? Only timestamp. Timestamp. Okay, timestamp and what I want? Hour. I want to extract hour from what? Timestamp column and give it as alias 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 har. Similarly, Control C. I want to extract minute also. Minute. We have minute function and minute. Similarly, I want to extract second also. We have second function. Okay. Second dot show. See guys, so this one, 2023 1 1. So this is the timestamp. From this timestamp, if you want to extract only the hour, so 8, right? Only the minute, 30, right? Only the second, 0. Similarly, 18, 45, 30, 23, 59, 59. So this way you can extract the date parts. So date part means this one, time, not date parts, time parts. So you want to extract time parts. So time is this one, right? Timestamp is this one. If you want to extract time parts, you can use hour, minute, a second functions. Mm, and if you want to, yeah, so we have, if you want to fetch date parts from the timestamp, so how can we fetch the date parts? Okay. Df dot, let me use this one. I don't want to rework. We can use this one, right? Df dot select. Today Friday, that's why very less people. Okay, df dot select timestamp only. So this from this timestamp, I want to extract date parts. Okay, uh, year. I want to extract year from this one. Yes, year. Okay, month I want to extract. If you want to extract month, you can use month function. And if you want to extract day, so day, we have day of month. Okay, if you want to extract day, you can use this. Also, if you want to extract week, I mean day of week, you can use, 1 minute guys, here, day of week. This function you can use day of week. Okay, so it will give you intelligence, don't worry. Day of week. And what date part I can extract. Okay, day of year, if I want to extract day of year. Day of year, I want to extract. Okay, day of year. Let's run this. Okay, so from this timestamp, first we extracted year. So 23, 23, 23, 24. Yes, it is matching. And month we are extracting next. Month 1371. Yes, 1371. Day we are extracting. Using day of month function, you can extract day. So day 1, 15, 10, 1. Yes, 1, 15, 10, 1. Correct. And day of week you want to extract. Day of week you want to extract 1422. Day of week. One. Okay. January 1st, 2023. 2023, January 1st, Sunday. Okay. First, correct. And March 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. Next, July 10. July 10. Yes. 1, 2, 2, correct. And next one, 2024, January 1st, right? 2024, January 1st means Monday, 2. So Sunday, 1, Monday, 2, Tuesday, 3, Wednesday, 4. So day of the week means you start with Sunday. So if it is Sunday, 1, number 1. If it is Monday, 2. So it will extract. So which day of the week it is. Okay. Day of year means, yeah, it is first day of the year, right? So first. 2024 January 1st also first day of the year, right? So first. So March 15th means 74 days completed. July 10th means 191 days are completed. So like this, you can extract the date parts from the timestamp. Okay. we have Unix timestamp. 1 minute, df dot with column. First, let me write this one, guys. I guess we have Unix timestamp. Here we will use this Unix timestamp. Okay. To this timestamp dot show. Let's see. Huh. 1672 56 18 00. What it is doing? 1678. Okay. What this Unix timestamp is doing? 1 minute Unix timestamp. Okay, okay. Mhm. So this number, guys. So this number is so uh, it is the number of seconds that have elapsed since which date? January 1, 1970. So January 1st, 1970, 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, UTC 2 till date. I mean this one, this timestamp we have now. So January 1st, 1970, this time to this time 2023 1 this time. So how many seconds are elapsed? That is the Unix timestamp. Understood? So from January 1st, 1970, 0000 time, this time to this time, how many seconds have elapsed? I mean, how many seconds are completed from this time to this time? This Unix timestamp will give. So it is also called as epoch time. Mm, yeah, I think this is sufficient, guys, for date functions. Okay. Okay, what can we discuss now? Can we discuss now? All types of join is completed, and this date functions also completed. And next, okay, guys. So for transformations, we have one more class. So that time, next class we can discuss partition by and some window functions are there that we can discuss. Along with that, mm, I will see if I am missing any transformations, we can discuss on Monday. Otherwise, so those partition by and some window functions and the rank, I mean ranking will be there now. So we will apply the row rank, rank wise, dense rank functions, and we can find. So we can give ranking na. So who got highest salary, who is the person getting highest salary, rank wise we will give. So that row rank functions we will see in the next class. Along with that, if I am missing any transformation, I will discuss. Otherwise, we can see delta tables, how to create delta tables. That part we will see on Monday. Today, I am also having lots of work till 8 p.m. We are working, and then I jumped into this. So less energy today. So, but no problem. So today we have discussed very interesting and very important topics. That is joins and date functions. So to process in every day we will use this date functions and timestamps, and joins everywhere we will use, because so in real time we will get two, three files. Okay, so those files we have to combine, either using union or joins we have to combine. So these are real time, in real time and real projects. These are the two important topics, this date functions and joins. Okay, and Monday I will see. So what topics are missing? Okay, and we can start this delta tables concept also. Yeah, guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Less energy today.